Muy buenos días a todos. Today we are going to see the Spanish word hay. That means there is, there are, is there, and are there in English. Spanish sentences with I and English sentences with there is, there are follow the same pattern with regard to the inclusion or omission of definite and indefinite articles. The Spanish definite articles el, la, los, and las, in English the, never follow I. Hay una alfombra en la casa. There is a rug in the house. Hay un árbol en el jardín. There is a tree in the garden. Hay dos vasos en la mesa. There are two glasses on the table. Hay tres libros en el piso. There are three books on the floor. A question formed with I uses the same word order as a statement. When written, it carries a question mark at the beginning and end, as all Spanish interrogative sentences do. When spoken, it should be pronounced with a rising intonation. ¿Hay una lámpara azul en la casa? Is there a blue lamp in the house? ¿Hay un libro en el baño? Is there a book in the bathroom? ¿Hay un hotel en la ciudad? Is there a hotel in the city? ¿Hay una mesa marrón en el cuarto? Is there a brown table in the room? When I is followed by a plural noun, the article is omitted. Hay árboles en el parque. There are trees in the park. Hay estrellas en el cielo. There are stars in the sky. Hay tomates rojos en este mercado. There are red tomatoes in this market. To make a sentence negative, place no before I. No hay luz en el baño. There isn't light in the bathroom. No hay teléfonos aquí. There aren't telephones here. No hay revistas en el hotel. There aren't magazines in the hotel. Now let's go to homework. Translate the following sentences into Spanish. If you want, you could answer them here in the comments. Well, that was all for today. Eso fue todo por hoy. Nos vemos la próxima.